Imagine this. You're scrolling online, and suddenly you see people talking about the Sans Air Purifier. A sleek, minimal purifier that promises cleaner air without complicated apps, loud fans, or constant micromanaging. The marketing makes it sound simple. Plug it in, let it run, and enjoy fresher air with medical-grade filters. But here's the catch. Independent reviews are mixed. Some users say it's genuinely quiet, easy to use, and great for dust, pet dander, and odors. Others say the build feels lighter than expected for the price, or that the filter replacements can get expensive over time. And while many people mention the quiet operation, a few say the higher fan levels still get noticeable at night. The technology itself seems solid. HEPA filtration, carbon layers, and a straightforward control panel. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no tracking, which some people love and others see as a missing feature. So overall, the Sans Air Purifier looks legit and works well for simple, low-maintenance air cleaning. But it's not magic, and you're paying more for design and quiet performance than extras. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns.